Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a relaxed vlog. I am working around the house, doing laundry, cleaning the bathroom, and I wanted to sit down and organize my makeup. It's been a little bit crazy and I just haven't had the time to really organize things from filming and bringing stuff downstairs and back upstairs and that kind of thing. And I also wanted to show you guys how I clean my brushes. If you're interested, I feel like that's something that is kind of interesting to be able to show people. Everyone has a little bit of a different way, but it maybe can help you guys if you're curious about how to clean your brushes. So if you like vlogs and just hanging out with me, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's what's going on today. I just got done cleaning the bathroom. Let's go ahead and head upstairs, start on the organizing. I kind of want to do a closet clean out. Let me know down in the comments if you'd want to see that, if you were interested in seeing a clean with me and get rid of clothes type of video. Let me know that because I'm kind of holding off on going through my closet, but I have a little I don't know, I have an itch to do it. I just don't know if I want to vlog it or not. So let me know that if you guys are interested in that. Oh, I wanted to show you guys, Chris got me these little bookends. He actually has a set over here that he has had for a long time, but it was our 7-year anniversary a couple days ago, and so he got me these really awesome purple bookends, and I want to create this as a books I've recently read and are really loving, also books that are my favorite books. They have a connection, they hit a nerve in my heart, and I am connected to these books, so I figured I could display them, and that's what I'm using these guys for. I wanted to share with you guys, my good friend loaned me the Caravel series, and I'm on this is the very last book. It's called Finale. The first one's called Caravel, second one is Legendary, and then this one is the last one, and I am almost done. You guys, I would highly recommend this. If you are into the Hunger Games books, you would really like that book because it's like Hunger Games, but it has an element of magic to it. So I really love it. That is another set that I am going to buy and put in that little thing to remember and be yes, I love this series. So if you're looking for a good series, I would definitely recommend that one. So here is the box of makeup that I take up and down the stairs for filming, and then this is my everyday makeup that I use all the time. So I want to empty this, kind of organize this. I feel like my desk could use a little bit of organizing. I have some random foundations over there, and then I also have, I just cleaned the bathroom, but I have my regular brushes that I need to go through and clean. So I think I'm going to work on that for a little while and take you guys along with me. All right, this space is cleared. Looks so much better. Now on to the cleaning of the brushes. So this is what I use to clean my beauty blender. It's the Dawn Platinum Erasing Dish Foam. This is super cheap. I really like that it has a pump and it does squeeze out into a foamy liquid. So this is what I use to clean my beauty blender. I'm sure there's probably a better way, but this is just like the cheapest. And I think I saw a few YouTubers actually recommend this for their beauty blenders. For my brushes, I use this EcoTools makeup brush shampoo. It says deep weekly cleanse. Okay, I don't do that, but I clean every few weeks. I should probably get better at it. But I do have a beauty blender here to clean, and then my brushes, and I use this little guy. It's like a little egg. You put it on your fingers like this. Oh, I had to sneeze. Okay, didn't come. So I use this little sponge and I put my fingers in it, and then I rub the bristles of my brushes on this. So I will show you guys how I do that and then how I lay them out to dry as well. So that is how I clean my brushes. As you can see, I try and like move them out from each other just a little bit and shape them after I'm done washing them, because that helps them get back into their regular form. And it also helps if you have like decent brushes. You know, if you spend not that much on your brushes, when you wash them, you may lose bristles, you may lose stuff, they may lose their form. So just keep that in mind when you're purchasing brushes, because I think it's important to like invest. I mean, obviously I have a BH Cosmetics one here. I really like the AOA Studio ones from Shop Bissé. So like there are good ones that are cheap, but just as you saw, none of my brushes shed. So most of them are Sigma. This one's Too Faced, Sephora, BH Cosmetics. And the rest are Morphe, MAC, Sigma, Morphe. Yep, there you go. There's clean brushes. If you guys have any questions about how I clean them or anything, leave that down in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer. Sometimes it's kind of helpful to get an idea of like how other people clean their brushes and maintain them so that they stay looking and working really nicely. And it's important that you clean your brushes. I should clean mine more often. That should be my New Year's resolution, is cleaning my brushes more often. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the vlog here. I know it's kind of a shorter one, but I don't know, I'm running into a halt with like video ideas. So if you have any, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. I don't know, help me come up with good video ideas, because I feel like I've done a lot of different videos lately and I'm kind of running out of ideas. So if you have any that you're like, yes, there's like a product that came out and you want me to review it, or you're curious about my collection of makeup or anything like that, whether it's like a declutter or anything, please let me know down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and if you are enjoying the vlogs, and if you want me to do more, because I like showing you guys like little pieces of my life as well outside of just the normal makeup filming area. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.